In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma AI as a beginner. 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll have a polished, scrollable web page built with AI without touching a single line of code. First, head to Gamma's website and either log in or create a new account. Once you're in, look for Create New. This is your starting point for any project in Gamma. Next, choose Generate with AI. If you're asked what you're building, select Website or Web Page. Gamma isn't just for slides, it can produce long, scrollable pages that feel like a modern site. Now it's time to tell Gamma what you want. In the prompt box, describe your website clearly. For example, you might ask for a landing page for a digital marketing agency, a portfolio site for a virtual assistant, or a sales page for an online course. The more specific you are, like who it's for, the key services, and the desired call to action, the better Gamma can shape the structure and copy. Before you generate, fine-tune the settings. Pick a toner style such as professional, modern, or minimal. Set the length to short, medium, or long based on how much detail you need, and choose a theme that fits your brand. When everything looks right, click Generate and let Gamma do the heavy lifting. After a moment, you'll see a complete draft. Gamma typically includes sections like a hero area with a headline and button, an about or overview block, services or features, and a clear call to action. Scroll through the entire page so you understand the flow from top to bottom. From here, edit the content to match your voice. Click any section to change the text, add or delete blocks, and reorder elements to prioritize what matters most. Keep headlines concise, body copy scannable, and calls to action specific. Then dial in the visual design. Update colors and fonts to align with your brand, add images, videos, or icons to bring sections to life, and adjust spacing for readability. Aim for strong contrast, generous white space, and consistent styling across the page. If you need more, use the plus add card option to insert extra sections like testimonials, pricing, contact details, or FAQs. These help build trust, clarify value, and make it easy for visitors to take the next step. Don't forget your links. Edit button labels like Book Now or Get Started and point them to your social profiles, booking pages, or product and service URLs. Test each link to ensure it works. When you're ready, click Share or Publish to generate a live link. Send it to clients or your audience and you're done. No coding needed.